In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone on PayPal using a credit card. It's a very easy process, and you can do it either on the PayPal website or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. The steps are generally the same on both, so just follow along carefully. First, you need to go to the Send and Request section. On the PayPal website, you'll find this at the top of the screen, between Home and Wallet. If you're using the mobile app, you'll find it in the menu at the bottom of your screen. Make sure you select Send, not Request, because we want to send money, not ask for it. Next, enter the recipient's details. You can type in their email address, username, full name, or mobile number, as long as it's registered with PayPal. If you want, you can also send an invoice by clicking the invoice option on the right side of the screen. Once you've entered the recipient's information, click Next to proceed. Now, you'll enter the amount you want to send. There's also a field for an optional description, where you can write a note about the payment, like what it's for. You can leave it blank if you prefer, and it won't affect the transfer. Once the amount is entered, click Next to go to the payment method screen. Here, you'll see your available payment options. If you want to pay using a credit card, choose the option to link a new card. You'll then need to select Credit Card and enter all the necessary information, including your credit card number, expiration date, security code, cardholder name, and billing address. Make sure all the details are correct, because PayPal won't process invalid information. After you've entered your credit card information, click Next or Pay Now, depending on your interface. PayPal will process the payment, charge your credit card, and the recipient will receive the money directly in their PayPal account. The transfer is usually instant, so they should see it right away. And that's it. You've successfully sent money on PayPal using a credit card. This works whether you're on the website or using the mobile app, and it's a secure way to make payments without needing to transfer money from your bank account. By the way, if you want to keep your financial information safe when making online payments, I highly recommend using NordVPN to encrypt your connection and protect your data, especially on public or shared Wi-Fi. You can find a link to NordVPN in the description below this video.